Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email on OneXBet. To achieve this, it's quite simple.
Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional OneXBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000.
First, go to your menu. Once in your menu, you are going to go to the right upmost corner in settings. And as you see, there is no option here for you to change your email. Come back to the previous page. Then at the left upmost corner, you're going to go to personal profile. Once in personal profile, you are going to see email. Click on link. Once you click on link, what you're going to see is enter email address. Just have to enter your email address and you'll be done with the procedure.